what's up? Welcome back. This is KS for After Effects tutorials channel, and now time to making energy drain motion graphics. First modeling the can in 3D Studio Max, and then move to After Effects, editing the materials in Element 3D. Let's start. This is 3ds Max, my favorite 3D software. First create the plan for modeling the can. Press M for materials, select an empty material, bitmap, and then go to desktop, materials, open this and drop to plan. So this is very important. What is the size? 820, 1424. There is 1424, 820. So change the segments into one and then face. In 3ds Max, multi way for modeling. Test the size. 820, 14, 24. So that's good. Okay. There is the easy way. Select the line and click here and move to here and move to here, then here. Backspace for deleting the point and press shift, then click here. Right click for stopping the line creating, and then go to modify and select the let modify. There is the let, and change it to mine. So this is very low poly model, and then move the vertex start point. There is the vertex start point. Select vertices, turn on this option, change the shadow facet. Yeah, that's good. And then look it down. Yeah, okay. Select the let modify again and change the segment. 100 is enough. Okay, delete the picture, and this is the can model. No problem. Okay, then I need more segment for high quality, high poly, and now select the edit poly, or you can change it to edit poly like this. Edit poly, and there is the material place. You can see the can model. Yeah, the material is starting from this point till this point. First I must create the silver material like this. Good. And this is the second material. Select the material and go to front viewport and select all of them. Drop and then show. There is a little bit problem about material, and then go to modify and select the UVW map, and there is the cylinder material, and then select the gizmo, turn on this angle snap, change it to this. Yeah, okay. Now time to creating the water drops. How to create the water drops? Go back to create geometry. There is the sphere. Go back to here and then change it to 0.5 hemisphere. Press R for scale like this, and then you can change it by taper. Like this. Okay, change it to edit poly and then go back to where, press 6 for the particle view, and there is particle, right click, new particle system, standard flow, and change the emitter stop to 0 and change the position icon, position object, drop here and select your object, then selected faces. Selected faces mean is like this. There is the selected faces. Okay, then go back to particle. So there is the shape. We don't need the cube shape, sphere shape. We need our model shape. Changes to shape instance and select the water drop shape, and then go to display and change it to geometry, and then go to rotation, random horizontal, world space, random 3D, random horizontal, yeah, and then go back and minimize this. This is the degree about the position of the water drop, and select, go to effect pivot point, press E for the shortcut, change the position like this, 90 degree, okay, then go back to particle view. There is the position, lock on emitter, and there is the speed. We don't use the speed. It's a little bit problem. And now so okay, go to birth and down the rate of water drop and go back to shape instance. There is the variation water drop and down the scale here. Okay, now change the rate a little bit up. Okay, now close this and select the particle, and now there is another systems, lot of systems, extend particle systems, and there is nerves. So for changing the particle into meshes must be go to compound object, there is the measure, and go back to modify, select your particle flow event like this. Okay, then add this one, pick the object, Okay, this is the mesh, it means polygon in the table poly, and you can delete this one because when we move to After Effects sometimes the particle does not move into element 3D. And now select this one, align, center point, close. Okay, this ready for After Effects. Select all of them, go to file menu, export, desktop, obj, name it TVC, enter. This is the triangles, and export. Go to After Effects, create a new composition, Ctrl K for setting, and create a new solid, Ctrl Y, and go to Effects, Video Copilot, Element 3D, and then go to Element 3D, Scene Setup, and import the can model. Press import. This is the TVC OBJ. Press OK. There is some problem from exporting this one. Okay, right click, change it to the table poly, and then select this and go to press S for shell and change the shell rate 0.2, convert again with the poly, and then select all of them and go back, export, TVC, yes, this is triangles, and export again, press OK. There is After Effects. Yeah, so this is red ball and move it on the gray. Okay, then open the materials. This material must be silver, chrome, and this material must be which one? This one. And select again and go back texture, diffuse, and go to texture, desktop, select this one, press OK, and change the color to white. Then go to environment, change the environment like this. Now select your water drop, drop the glass material on this, and select the glass and go to setting, change the blend mode to add, and change the light 360 or change cinematic. Okay, press OK. I need more model for motion graphics that called about motion design package. Install that for more liquid models. Now I install the package of fresh food, motion design, and there is another one, pro shaders, like this. There is milk material for your model. This is pool water, and there is glazed, clear. Okay. Select motion design, and there is liquids. There is liquids. Okay. Select one of these liquids. And what the color of red ball? This is cola gummy, and this is orange soda. How is this? Amber. This one may be good. And then we need more liquids like this. Rotate this. Move it up. Scale up the size of liquid and rotate like this. And need more liquid. Good. Press before OK. Need fresh food. By orange. Down the size of orange and move it up there. Okay, need one more. This is about strawberry. There is a strawberry, and we need to change the groups. Strawberry is the second group and orange third group for controlling everyone. And then scale down the strawberry model, select the group, and then move it up like this and press OK. For controlling all of the scene, create a new camera, and the preset must be 24mm. Press OK, and then select your screen and select your camera. Go to orbit, move down your camera and orbit to right. There is some problem about the lighting and reflection of model, and go back to element 3D. There is element 3D options. Go to render setting and lighting, change it to cinema. And controlling for the strawberry, go to group 1 and 2. First, there is particle replicator, change it to sphere and set the rate count to 11. And then go back to particle size. There is particle look and there is particle size. Back to scene setup, because what is in group 1, strawberry was group 3 and oranges must be group 2. When I change the strawberry group, changing to all of them. And now you can control the orange in group 2 and the strawberry group 3, and the liquids model must be group 1. Press OK and change back to 1 and close this group. Go to group 2 replicator and select the sphere, count 10, rotate your camera position like this, and go to group 3 select the sphere, change it, the count 50. This is about the strawberry, and move the strawberry, mix it with liquids. This is about shape scale, and there is orange shape scale. Move it to right and down the size. Particle look, there is particle size, and move it up. So now move your camera near the scene and a little bit rotate like this, and create your background. Press Y for new solid and name it background, and select your color to red. Press OK. We need a red ball background like this. Your texture into composition, and then press S for scale down, and then press Shift plus for mixing your blend mode. So I have another idea for creating the background. Delete this image again and go to TBC main comp and select title, fat, and type here red ball. Ctrl A, select all, and where is the font style? Create a new solid, saber light, and go to effects, video copilot, saber light, and go back to customize core. Select the text layer and select the red ball title, and then down the glow intensity and press Ctrl for down slow rate of core size like this, and then press F4 for mode and change it to add. Turn off your red ball title like this, and go back to saber light, and there is about start size offset. You can change it to fire like this, you can change it to fusion, and down the glow intensity. This one is good, just change it to blue. How about yellow? How about white? And how about red? Red is not bad. Okay, thank you for watching. This was about Red Bull energy drink promo TVC in 3D is Max and Element 3D. Don't forget, like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.